Good evening, everyone. I am from Group 1, and we are composed of 7 members, which is Cherry May Abesha, Geraldine Adahar, Brittany Zia Amihan, Manuela Marie Arado, Dina Joy Oristila, Josefa Bacolot, and yours truly, Janine Joy D. Balahadia. Today, I will be presenting a comparative analysis of two crucifixion paintings, exploring their artistic styles, symbolism, historical context, and emotional impact. The crucifixion has been a powerful subject in the arts for centuries, depicted by various artists in a unique ways that reflect their perspectives, cultural influences, and religious interpretation. Through this analysis, we aim to highlight the similarities and differences between the two artworks and deepen our understanding of how artist conveys the themes of sacrifice, suffering, and redemption. We hope this presentation will provide you with new insights into this masterpiece and their significance. Art has long been used to convey religious devotion, historical narratives, and deep emotional messages. The two paintings of the crucifixion presented in this analysis reflect different artist styles, purpose, and audiences while sharing a common subject. The first painting is a traditional religious depiction of the crucifixion, reminiscent of Renaissance art, while the second is a modern, symbolic interpretation that connects Christ's sufferings to broader human struggles. Their similarities are both artworks focus on crucifixion of Jesus, a central event in Christians' faith. Each presents Christ in the center of the composition, emphasizing his suffering and significance. Both use visual elements such as mourners, symbolic figures, and contrast colors to highlight themes of pain, faith, and redemption. Additionally, they both serve as a thought-provoking piece meant to evoke strong emotional responses from viewers. Their differences is the first painting created a classical style, uses realism, proportion, and a harmonious color palette. The background is peaceful, filled with angels and grieving, with golden halos reinforcing a sacred and holy atmosphere. This artwork likely aims to inspire religious devotion and reflects biblical narratives, making it ideal for a church or religious settings. In contrast, the second painting is modern and expressionistic, using distorted forms of chaotic visual elements. The muted colors, burning buildings, and figures in distress suggested war, destruction, and suffering beyond just the biblical context. Notably, Jesus is depicted wearing a Jewish prayer shawl, possibly linking his suffering to the persecution of Jewish people, particularly during the Holocaust. The painting's message is broader, addressing oppression and human pain in historical and political contexts. The interpretation is the different style and message reveal distinct artistic intention. The first painting reflects traditional Christian values, emphasizing faith, divine presence, and salvation. It aligns with the Renaissance era purpose of inspiring worship and contemplation with a religious framework. The second painting, however, transformed the crucifixion into a symbol of universal suffering. It draws a parallel between Christ's agony and struggle of oppressed communities, making a political and historical statement. This approach suggests that the artist aimed to provoke reflection on contemporary issues rather than solely focusing on religious faith. And there's an impact between these paintings. Both paintings are powerful, but they engage viewers in different ways. The first is effective in conveying religious devotion and comforting believers, while the second evokes a more visceral, emotional response by linking Christ's suffering to broader human tragedies. Those seeking spiritual reflection may find the first painting more impactful, whereas those concerned with historical injustices may connect more deeply with the second. In conclusion, these two paintings demonstrate how the same subject can be portrayed in vastly different ways, shaped by artistic styles, historical context, and intended messages. While one reinforces traditional religious beliefs, the other challenges viewers to consider suffering in a modern, political light. Both, however, succeed in compelling the audience to reflect on the enduring significance of the crucifixion. So that would be all of our reflection. Thank you very much for listening.